I'd love to know the name of this weird weed. It pops up everywhere in my yard. If I don't pull it up when it is small, tiny white spikes grow on the stalk and I have to wear gloves to pull them up. It's very annoying. This is Lynn from Dresden, Ohio. Nice picture there, Lynn. We appreciate that. So I live across from a wooded area and I see wild prickly lettuce all the time.
I bet if you break it, there'll be some latex there.
It's of course a summer annual, or it can be a biennial. Rosetta leaves first, here comes the woody stem, and then it will produce a yellow cluster of flowers. Has a deep taproot system. But if you touch it without gloves along the midrib of the leaf, it has little spines there, also at the base of the leaf. But side of the road, pasture areas, row crop areas, you're gonna have that. Right. And it grows pretty tall because
it can.
My neighbor across the fence from me has one growing now, and that thing is about 6-7 feet tall. So
it's getting ready to disperse. Right?
It's already doing that. So I might have some in my yard. It'll be fine. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.